Be strong.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Joy Toy Mecha Cavalry Sergeant Major. We're also going to do a comparison of the Joy Toy figure in here with this Elite Force Navy SEAL. We'll take a little look at the box here. Very nice packaging, and it should be for the price. Joy Toy are a little pricey. I paid around $40 US for this box, for this figure rather. And here's our figure inside. Very nice base there. Good quality. Alright, let's get it opened up. Alright, below you can see I've laid out all the items inside the box. Comes with a very nice ammo crate, web belt, some more weapons, more hand swaps, some joints. Very nice. Alright, inside the box they've also included a disassembly instructions. So this is cool. I did not know this about Joy Toy, that you could disassemble them. That's pretty cool. That makes for some good customization. Alright, let's go ahead and take a close look at the figure. And of course, since you can disassemble it, the articulation is really good. It has a good paint job on it. Some good transfers. Oh, look at that. I can swap out his chest armor and web belt. Maybe for that one. Model is good and limber. Let's take a look at the back side. I will say this, though pricey, these Joy Toy action figures are worth it. This is good quality, very high quality. Let's attach his head. And then his helmet. Look at that close up of that helmet there. I'm not familiar with the Joy Toy universe as far as their fiction setting. This base that comes with the model, or the figure, I'm sorry, it's got some heft to it. That's a good quality base. I don't know if that's a resin. I would say it's probably resin. And of course, well painted. A couple different places for foot pegs. Here's his cool looking sci-fi rifle. Take a look at this extra web belt. Actually, this is probably a shoulder belt. Well, maybe not. There's some... And the rest of the crate there. Let me get a closer look at it. Top of the crate. Danger, do not touch. And of course these two pieces snap together. Oh, I didn't put his headscarf on. Let's do that. Alright. There we go. Now put his helmet back on him. Very cool. Very cool. Nice model. Or nice action figure, rather. Alright, let's go ahead and get out the Elite Force Navy SEAL. Let's do a comparison here. So as you can see, the Elite Force action figure is just a little bit shorter. Try him on this figure peg here. Not by much. Could be, I just didn't have him all the way down on the peg. And of course, the Elite Force action figure has no way to peg. You'd have to, you can make one though, I'm sure. Be careful and drill that out. Use a hand drill. Let's compare. Let's see this. Let's see if we can swap some parts. Yeah, that fits pretty good. Alright, now, in that vein, we got his head back on. Let's see if he can wear the Elite Force boonie cap. Yeah? Okay. Well, again, I gotta walk back something else. They do compare it pretty well as far as height and maybe item compatibility. That head's having trouble staying in with that neck piece on. Oh wow, look at that. The head moves up and down independent of the neck. That is very cool. This model, of course, is one solid piece with his head. So the same height. Hey, they may could be. These two probably could be cousins. Look at their facial features. Anyway, about the same height. The quality of the Joy toy, it exceeds the Elite Force. But with the Elite Force, you're getting 5 action figures for $20, where this was 1 for $40. And the Elite Force rifle here, of course, it's not painted up like the Joy toy one. Of course, it wouldn't take much to paint this up yourself. So overall, I would say the Joy toy is a much better figure. Although, that said, I'm very pleased with my Elite Force action figures. Now, I will say this too. I'm going to get some more Joy toy action figures. These are superb. I did not realize that they disassembled. So you can swap out pieces with other models from the range. Or other figures from the range. That's the wargamer in me saying models. Good quality figure. You're definitely going to pay for it, but you're paying for quality. Let's go ahead and pull off a hand here. Let's see what we get. It's kind of, there he goes. Yeah. And we have another hand here. We can just do a swap. Oh, and this is where we'll need our joint. Oh yeah, see? Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't have that in there. The joint comes, ooh, I may have broke that. Ooh, that'd be expensive learning mistake there. So here is the other piece. And we're going to put this one in here. Yeah. Oops. It's a little difficult. Done. Let's put his hand back in there. Pops back in. Alright guys, that wraps up my Joy toy unboxing and Elite Force comparison video. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe it showed you something. Maybe if you were sitting on the fence about buying a Joy toy action figure, maybe this helps you decide one way or the other. I, for one, I'm quite impressed. I will order some more. They have several sets that I've got my eye on. One is the Chinese People's Liberation Army counter-terrorist unit. Those are some cool looking action figures. And then of course they have their skeleton crew. They're all black spec ops looking guys with red skeletal looking face mask. So anyway, thank you. If you enjoyed the video or if it helps you, please drop me a simple like if you can. Subscribe for more plastic soldiers. Have a good day.